Good morning, dear students. How are you? Fine? Okay. Very good. Today is our maths class. Are you like maths? Yes, very good. Are you ready? Are you ready for maths class? Yes. Okay. In last class, we studied about number line. Okay? Do you remember? Yes, very good. Today, in this class, we are going to study our second term lessons. Our first term lessons are over. Do you know? Yes, our first term lessons are over. Our term book started. Okay? Yes. In this term, our first lesson is, what is the name of our first lesson? Yes, addition. Yes, addition. Listen here. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Yes, addition. Do you know what is mean by addition? Yes. Okay. Put together. Put together. Two numbers put together. All of you listen here. What is this? What is this? Yes, leaf. Okay? Leaf. Okay. How many leaves are here? How many leaves? In my right hand. Okay. Yes. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes. 2 leaves. Okay. There are 2 leaves in my right hand. Okay. Listen. How many leaves? This in my left hand. Okay. 1. Yes. 2. 1, 2. I am going to put together all leaves. Put together. 2, 2 and 2. Listen. 2 and 2. Count. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. When we add these 2 and 2. 2 and 2 equal? Yes. 1, 2. Next 1, 2. Add together. Get together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal 4. Listen. Equal 4. This is the symbol of addition. This is the symbol of addition. Okay? This is the symbol of addition. Listen. This is the symbol of addition. We read it 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 4. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Okay. Next listen. How many flowers are here? How many flowers? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? How many flowers? 1. Yes. 2. Okay. 3. 3 flowers are in right hand. In my right hand. Listen. 3. Listen. 3. 3 flowers are in right hand. Listen here. Next. How many flowers are here? 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 flowers are in my, yes, left hand. Yes, 2 flowers are in my left hand. Okay. Next, add these 2 numbers is 2 flowers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, this 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 3 plus 2, yes, equal to 5. Okay. Next, all of you listen. All of you listen. What is this? What is this? These are pens. These are pens. Okay, very good. How many pens in my hand? In my hand. Yes. All of you count it. Count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3. Next. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Addition means put together. Addition means put together. Put together. 3 plus 3. We are going to put together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count. All of you count these pencil. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 3 plus 3 equal 5. 3 plus 3 equal, sorry, listen. 3 plus 3 equal 6. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. Very good. Can you follow me? Yes. All of you take your textbook. All of you take your textbook. First lesson, addition. Okay. First lesson, addition. Listen here. Listen here. There are 2 birds. There are 2 birds in a branch. Okay. 2 more birds fly to the branch. 2 more birds fly to the branch. Okay. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 birds. Okay. Now there are 4 birds on the branch. Okay. Yes. 2 plus 2. Yes. We add 2 and 2. We get 4. We write it 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. This is the symbol of addition. This is the symbol of addition. We read it 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay. Next, there are 3 bananas and 2 bananas. Okay. Yes. 3 plus 2. Yes, very good. Addition means to put together. To put together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bananas. There are 5 bananas. Okay. Yes. To add, first count 3, then count forward 2 times. Yes. Okay. We get 4, 5. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 3 plus 4. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Okay. Next, all of you listen. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Our chapter name, addition, and this. All of you write. Do you finish? Yes, very good. Next, we are going to study 0 in addition. 0 in addition. 0 in addition. Listen. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. There are 2 leaves. Okay, there are 2 leaves. In left hand, no leaves. Okay, 0 means nothing. Next, 2 plus 0 equal to 2. 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Okay, next, 0 plus 4 equal to 4. Okay, yes, 3 plus 0 equal 3. Okay, when we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. When we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. Listen, all of you take your textbook, page number 37. There are some exercises. Listen, count and add. Count and add. First one is given there. First one is given here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. There are 3 clocks and there, yes, 2. Addition means put together. Okay, addition means put together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This put together 2, 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3 plus 2 equal 5. Okay. Next, 2, 3 and 4. You write in your textbook. All of you, you fill in these blanks in your textbook. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. All of you open the page number 38. Page number 38. There are some problems. Okay. Fill in the blanks. First one is given here. 4 plus 0 equal 4 plus 0 equal 4. Okay. 0 plus 1 equal? Yes. Very good. 1. Next. 3 plus 0? Yes. Right answer. Yes. 3. Yes. All of you fill in this. Do this. Write this in your textbook and rewrite in your notebook. Okay. We are going to study another part in the lesson, addition on the number line. Addition on number line. Addition on the number line. On the number line. In last class, we studied about number line. Okay, do you remember? Yes, okay. We can add numbers by counting forward. Counting forward on the number line. Okay, all of you take your notebook and draw a number line. Draw a number line. Start from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All of you draw a number line in your notebook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next number? Yes, 5, 6. Next, 7, 8, 9. Last number? Last number? Yes, very good. Last number? 10. 10. Okay, listen. In this number line, we are going to add 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. We can add numbers by counting forward on the number line. To add 5 and 3 using the number line, start from where? Start from 5 plus 3. Start from? Yes. Start from 5. Start from 5. Okay. 5. Go forwards. Forwards. Yes. Counting forwards. Yes. 3 step. Listen. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Go forwards or count forwards. Count forwards. 3 step. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We get the answer. 5 plus 3 equal 8. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Listen, next one. Listen. Next one. All of you write it in your notebook. Do you finish? Yes, okay. Next, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. Where does we start? Where? Yes, from where? 6. Count forward. Yes, count forward. 4 step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thus, 6 plus 4 equal 10. 6 plus 4 equal 10. Okay, very good. Next, all of you take your textbook. Exercise number 2. Page number 38. There are some number lines. Okay. Add by counting forward on the number line. All of you write it in your textbook and rewrite your notebook. Okay. Next part of in this lesson, next part, vertical addition. Listen. Listen. Vertical addition. Vertical addition. Okay. Listen. We can add numbers by placing them one by one. Okay. One below another number. One below another number. Yes. This method is called vertical addition. Listen. Vertical addition. We can add numbers by placing them one by another or one below another. One below another number. This method is called vertical addition. Listen. Let us add 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3. In last class or in last term book first, we already studied the place values or places of numbers. Okay, ones place and tens place. In number 13, there are two places. There are two places, ones place and tens place. Okay, can you remember? Yes, okay, very good. Listen, in this method, we placing them one below another. Yes, 13. 13. This in tens place and this in ones place. 1 tens place in 13. 1 is in tens place and 0 is in, yes, ones place. Okay, listen. Listen, plus 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3. Okay. First of all, we add ones place number. Ones place number. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equal. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We already learned addition is get it together. Put together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. We write the ones place. Okay. Ones place. And we get 3 plus 3 equals 6. Next in tens place. Tens place. There are no number in there. We write 1 in there. Okay. Yes. Answer is 16. Okay. Listen. Next. Next. 2 plus 5. 2 plus y. 2 plus 5. Okay. We use a vertical addition. We write in this way 2 plus 5. Okay. 2 plus 5. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 2 plus 5 equal 6. Equal 6. Sorry. 7. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Okay. All of you take your textbook. All of you take your textbook. Exercise number 3. Page number 39. Add the numbers using vertical addition. Vertical addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 problems. All of you write it in your textbook and copied it or rewrite in your notebook. Okay, listen. Next, all of you open the page number 40. In the page number 40, count and write. Okay, count and write. How many snails and chicks are there? How many snails and chicks are there? Listen. How many snails? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Listen. There are there are 3 snails. Number of snails 1, 2, 3. Number of number of chicks. Number of chicks. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Equal total number of snail and chicks are 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All of you count it. Yes. Okay. 6 plus 3 equal or 3 plus 6 equal 9. Next. All of you count these and write the answer. Listen. Number of bees. All of you count. Write this box and number of ants. Number of ants. All of you count the number of ants and fill in this box and total number of bees and ants. All of you write it. Okay. Yes. Do you complete it? Do you finish your work? Okay. Next, all of you listen and write. Tony has 4 marbles. All of you listen. Tony has 4 marbles. Listen. 4 marbles. Moni has, listen, 5 marbles. 5 marbles. How many marbles? How many marbles? How many marbles? Listen. How many marbles do they have together? Have together. Listen. Tony has 4 marbles and Moni has 5 marbles. Listen. How many marbles do they have together? Okay, we already studied what? Yes, very good. Addition is put together. Addition means put together. Okay, listen. Tony has 4 marbles and Moni has 5 marbles. Okay? Yes. Addition is? Yes. Put together 4 plus 5 equal 4 plus 5 equal, okay, 4 plus 5, very good, 9. 4 plus 5 equal 9. And there are 2 more problems. All of you read it carefully and write. Read it carefully and write it in your textbook and rewrite in your textbook, notebook. Okay, rewrite in your notebook. Okay. Next, addition in expanded form. Addition in expanded form. All of you listen. All of you listen. Addition in expanded form. Addition in expanded form. Expanded form. Listen. Listen here, my dear children. All of you stand up and sit down. Listen here. Addition in expanded form. We already studied in last term the place values and places of numbers. Okay, can you remember? Yes, very good. Next, number 12. In number 12, there are two places. There are two places. There are two places. 110, 110 and 2, 110 and 2 and 2 ones. Okay. Yes. Next, listen. In 2, there are no tens. 0 means nothing. 0 tens. 0 tens and 2 ones. 2 ones. Okay. This, listen here, this, we already studied the vertical addition. Okay, vertical addition. Listen, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1 bring down. Okay, yes, 14. There, 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, 110. 110 and 110 and 4 ones. 4 ones. This 12 plus 2 equal to 14. 1, 10 and 4 ones. Yes, very good. Next, all of you listen. All of you write it in your notebook. So no? Yes, very good. Next, listen. Listen. 13 plus 14. 13 plus 14. Listen. There are 110 and 3 ones. Okay, 3 ones. Okay, in 14, 1, 10 and 4 ones. Listen, listen. We already studied vertical addition. Vertical addition. 1, 10 and 110, 2 tens. 2 tens and 3 ones and or 3 ones plus 4 ones equal 7 ones. Okay, this 14 plus 13 plus 14 equal 3 plus 4, 7, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, 2 tens plus 2 10 plus 7 ones. Do you understand? Yes, very good. All of you take your textbook page number 41, exercise number 4. There are some exercises. Add these in the expanded form. Add these in the expanded form. All of you write it in your text notebook. Write it in your fill in these blanks in your textbook and rewrite in your notebook. Okay. Next, listen. Next, listen. Order in addition. Order. Order in addition. Order in addition. Okay. Order in addition. Okay. Listen. There is one mango, monkey, coco, and two more monkeys join. Okay. Next. Now three. There are three monkeys. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Next, we change the order. We change the order. There are two monkeys. Change the order. Listen here. Listen in your textbook. Change the order of monkeys. There are two dogs. There are two dogs and one more dogs join. One more. Yes. Dogs join. Now there are 1, 2, 3. 3 dogs. Listen here. We write 2 plus 1 equal 3. Next 1 plus 2 equal 3. 2 plus 1 equal 3 and 1 plus 2 equal 3. Next 2 plus 3 equal 5. Okay. Can you follow? Yes, very good. 3 plus 2 equal 5. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. The order of numbers. Listen. All of you listen. In addition, even if we change the order of numbers, the answer remains the same. The answer remains the same. Okay. In addition, even if we change the order of numbers, 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2. Yes. Next 2 plus 5 or yes 3 plus 2. Even if we change the order of numbers, we get the answer is same. Order of numbers, the answer remains the same. Okay. All of you write all exercises in your textbook and notebook. This much for today. Thank you for everyone to watch my online class. Thank you.